Affiliate marketing on a shoestring budget. Affiliate marketing is a popular online business model that allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. While some might assume that a significant budget is required to kickstart an affiliate marketing venture, it's entirely possible to get started and find success on a shoestring budget. This article will delve into the strategies and steps that can help you embark on an affiliate marketing journey without breaking the bank. One, choose the right niche. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise is crucial. It allows you to create authentic content that resonates with your audience. Research potential niches to ensure they have a viable market and demand. Two, comprehensive market research. Research is vital, especially when you're operating on a limited budget. Understand your target audience, their preferences, pain points, and buying behavior. This insight will enable you to tailor your content effectively. Three, select quality affiliate programs. Opt for affiliate programs that offer high-quality products or services. These programs should provide adequate support, reliable tracking, and competitive commissions. Platforms like Amazon, Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are popular options. Four, build a simple website or blog. You don't need a complex website to get started. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Blogger allow you to create a basic website or blog for free. Focus on clean design, easy navigation, and relevant content. Five, content creation. Create valuable and engaging content related to your niche. This could include blog posts, articles, product reviews, tutorials, and more. Quality content will attract organic traffic and establish your authority in the niche. Six, leverage social media. Utilize social media platforms to share your content, engage with your audience, and promote affiliate products. Consistent and strategic use of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can help you gain visibility. Seven, email marketing. Start building an email list from the beginning. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as an ebook or a mini course, in exchange for email addresses. Use email marketing to nurture your subscribers and promote affiliate products. Eight, SEO optimization. Learn the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's visibility in search engines. This can bring in organic traffic over time, reducing the need for paid advertising. Nine, networking. Connect with other affiliate marketers and professionals in your niche. Networking can provide valuable insights, collaboration opportunities, and potential partnerships that can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Ten, utilize free advertising channels. While paid advertising can be effective, it's not the only option. Utilize free advertising channels like forums, online communities, and classified ad websites to promote your content and affiliate links.